When you open your first image for a particular target star, you'll see a pattern of 5 circular regions that you use to make brightness measurements. You'll place the top yellow circle around your target star, WASP-36 in this case. The next 2 purple and orangish circles will be placed around 2 comparison stars that the MIcroObservatory team has identified as stars that don't change their brightness much. But where are WASP-36 and its comparison stars in this image full of dots? You can locate your target star by opening the Finder pop-up. A transparent movable Finder chart labels your target star with a T and a little arrow. The 2 comparison stars are labeled with a C. Before you move the Finder into place, see if you can match up a pattern of bright stars in the Finder chart with the same bright stars in your image. Here, at the bottom right, I see a pattern of 4 bright stars that I can recognize here in the image. Drag the chart over your image and position it so that the stars in the chart align with the stars in your image. The chart becomes transparent when it's over your image. Once you've aligned the star with your image, you can drag the top yellow target circle to the star labeled with a T and the next 2 circles to the 2 comparison stars labeled with Cs. Don't worry about getting the exact position right now. We'll show you how to refine that in the Measure tutorial. Close the Finder chart. Now that you've located your target star, you're ready to measure. Check out the measurement tutorial for important instructions.